Hey guys, I'm showing you this Sunmory floor lamps for living room. It's a 32 watt, 3000 lumen, smart bright LED floor lamp with remote control. We received this as sample to test and try. 69 inches tall standing lamp with a stepless, dimmable and modern Torchiere corner lamp for a bedroom or office. So it comes in a protective covering and you have to little bit install it. So it is all protective covering so you can remove and you have to just attach this rods with one each other and just stretch it out. So this is the lamp itself, and this lamp is also rotatable, so you can rotate in a different direction based on your requirement. And this is the electric cable, so just to add in and switch. So there is a 350-degree or 180-degree rotation and a remote control with a sturdy metal base and easy to assemble. The total height itself is 69 inches. This is the battery that comes for the remote. So let me just take this out. So the base is actually in the bottom and it's a very sturdy, heavy base. This is the remote control. So just put in the batteries quickly and then just start installing and completing the installation. So once I installed it, you can see the sturdy base, 69 inch in the total height and the 9.8 inch in the width for the light and the bottom. So this is also a foot or the switch here, so you can just put in the switch and then start it, and you can see the light brightness here. It's a bright light, and the remote control will control these switches with the soft and with a 50 feet range. And so this also have a timer, like a 1 hour timer, and also have the adjust brightness. This is like the color temperature you can choose from the soft to white, and also maximum brightness button is there just to check. So there is a reading mode, working mode, night mode, and a baby feeding mode, as you can see it here. So it's a bright light, and of course you can arrange it based on your requirement in the room, and you can put it in any corner you want. So it's a nice lamp with a nice height and a cool light features with the LED. Hope you like it.